Namaste friends, welcome to GyanVeda channel. In today's video, we are going to check a new aspect of investment, that is the regular versus the direct mutual funds, and how this will help you to grow your profit in long term. If you have visited the channel for the first time, I request you to please subscribe, like, share. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notification for our new videos in the investment area. In today's discussion, we are going to focus on how to earn maximum returns from your mutual fund investment, how your direct investment and or the regular investment can impact your returns, also how expense ratio is a key point which will change the profit or the loss in the mutual fund in the long term. So please watch the video till end so you'll get the complete knowledge. As most of us know that mutual fund can be bought online, but there is an offline mode also available at the specific bank branch. There are some registrars, many places you can buy the mutual funds. We will sell you the mutual fund so you can buy directly from the asset management company, which we call as a mutual fund house. Then you can use your demat account also to buy mutual funds. Then there are some registrars for specific AMCs, or for multiple AMCs there could be registered at your city or at your place, so you can make use of that also for mutual fund investment. Also, mutual funds will have some distributors, or we can call them kind of agents, that will help you to do this investment. Mutual fund distributors are kind of third-party agencies that will help the customers to buy or sell their mutual funds. Also, these distributors can act as an advisory firm also, which will help you to build portfolio based on your risk and financial goals. Also, they will get a commission based for this service. Not all distributors they will charge you for building your portfolio, but ultimately they will get some commission from the mutual fund. Also, whenever you invest through this distributor or agent, there will be some ARN number, application reference number, that will be kind of a agent's number, so that based on that the commission will be paid to that third party. The AMC, asset management company, or the fund house, this is a kind of mutual fund company which operates these mutual fund schemes. So what they do for any scheme, they collect the funds from their customers, they arrange the portfolio, they design how the asset allocation will be done for customers' money. Then they will manage the expenses. So what kind of expenses they will have? They will have some fees like registrar's fees, government stamp duty for your investment. They will have some self expenses also for their marketing or their management or their employees. In addition, these companies will add some expenses as a profit. Also, these people have to pay the commission for some of their customer investments. Few years back, if you remember, before 2009, there used to be some entry load for many of the mutual funds investment. So instead of paying some commission to that distributor, this entry load was used a kind of commission only, or a fee by the AMC or the distributor, to invest your money into mutual fund. So that is scrapped after 2009. Also, in 2013, the SEBI introduced another mode of investment, that is kind of called as a direct investment. So our focus in today's discussion is around this direct investment. In regular mode of the mutual fund investment, it is done through an intermediary party. So that could be your advisor, your broker, or the distributor. Right? Mostly, why people choose this way of investment? Because they will have a comfort that they will be managed by some third parties for your investment. Also, you might get some professional consultation from these people, like what are the best funds in the market, how to design your portfolio based on your risk and your target, how much amount you should invest. So these people will guide you. Also, they will have, get some commission from the mutual fund house. So sometimes what happens, these people will recommend you such funds which can provide maximum commission to them. In other way, if you want to invest directly in that mutual fund, because you might already know your risk ability and you know how much amount you are going to invest, what are the best funds for you, so you can directly go to that AMC website, or we'll get to know how we can invest in direct mode also. So there is no agent code when you, so you can take a look whenever you get a statement, you check whether there is any ARN number is present on your mutual fund statement or not. Also, what you need to do in that case, you need to have your self analysis. You need to know what are the right funds for your investment and do the investment accordingly. Also, comparatively, the direct investment will have low expense ratio. So what will happen? But your maintenance will be at your end. So suppose you are investing in 10 mutual funds, let us say, you might need to visit separately for your AMC websites and have your tracking. How will be the impact when you invest in direct or regular mode? Expense ratio is the key difference. If you are investing in the regular mode, your expense ratio will be slightly or sometimes significantly higher. So how this will impact? So it will change the NAV. So what happens after every business day, your net asset value of your fund investment will get changed based on the how the stocks performed in that portfolio. So in the direct, this NAV will increase little bit higher on everyday basis when there is a profit. So what will happen when you calculate a return after certain period of time, you will see that the direct fund will get little higher returns. Also, the research or advice also impacted. In direct mode, you need to do the research or advisory or at your own. In regular, you can hire some third party or the distributor that can help you for your investment. So in when you do the comparison of these funds, direct versus regular, we can see we have taken one example. We have taken Canara Robeco Blue Chip Fund. We have taken both for direct and regular for last 5 years comparison. So you have seen here, so current NAV of the direct is 43.19, and here for regular mode it is showing as 39.35. You can see there is a difference. So what happened in last 5 years? There is a change of 20 rupees in the NAV for the regular and 24 rupees in the direct. So you can see there is difference, and when we calculate a comparison, you can see direct has given close to 14% extra returns in last 5 years. So you can see, suppose you invest for 10 years, how much will be the difference? Now let's say the next comparison. So now here we have taken two samples from Kotak Blue Chip. So one is the growth option of with the regular, and another is the growth option with direct. Here also you can see last 5 years the regular mode has given close to 90% roughly we can say, and the direct mode has crossed more than 100%. So you can see here 10 to 11% is difference. So let's see another comparison also. Here we have taken few more funds for your comparison. So how the expense ratio is different in this case. So if we see here, Canara Robeco FLEXICAP fund in direct mode just has 0.6% as a total expense ratio. But same time it is 1.9, it close to 2%. So close to 1.4% is the difference that will be kind of per year return. So what happened, if you invested for 5 years in a lump sum, your investment return rate is slightly higher, more than 1% we can say. So if you have invested in the SIP mode, you can see here also consistently you got 1% minimum extra returns. But is it the same difference in all the funds? No. If you are seen here also in Kotak FlexiCap, the difference is close to 1%. Here also close to 1% we can say. But if you see here ICICI Prudential Discovery, it doesn't have that much difference in this one. But still you can see here there is some difference in the returns. So this will definitely impact. Suppose you are building a portfolio for your retirement and you have an investment horizon of around 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. So imagine how much uh, growth you can achieve over the long term with the direct mode. So are there any things same or different in regular versus direct fund? So let us see. What is same? The fund strategy is same. They will have the same portfolio in direct or regular. There will be same fund manager. There will not be different fund manager for your fund. Portfolio is same. The terms and condition, like whether the minimum investment, your minimum SIP amount, all these things will be same in both the options. So where can I buy the direct fund? You can directly visit the AMC or fund house website and do this investment. Few of the demat accounts, not all demat accounts provide you the direct option. As I know, Zerodha is one of them, 5paisa is then, and you may need to check with your demat account. There is one website. If you suppose don't have the demat account, still you can do the KYC and use the CAMS, that is my CAMS. We will have separate video also that one, so please subscribe on the channel. Also, there are some registrars that can be available at your city. You can make use of them and start your investment. So some people will ask whether shall I switch from the regular mode to direct mode. So will there be any impact? Yes, there will be some impact. So switch or redemption are almost same. In switch, what will happen? You will redeem from one fund and then invest into other fund. So don't think that okay, you will not have to pay any tax or something. Suppose if you have earned some profit, you will have the tax implication. So tax implication, we will have another video on this one, so please be with the channel and check the videos. Also, you should check whether there is any exit load mentioned. If suppose you need to pay some higher exit load, it's better to wait for some time and after that take the decision to switch. We have several such informational video for you to make your investment returns better. So please visit the channel, share and subscribe. Our channel is committed to give you many such more knowledgeable videos. And if you are with the channel, please help us with your comments that what else you want to know. So that will make your investment happy. Thank you. Dhanyavad.